Are you looking for a full-body workout that boosts your cardio and endurance while being gentle on your joints? Swimming might be just what you need. This versatile exercise offers numerous benefits and can be tailored to fit various fitness levels and goals. In this video, we'll explore the advantages of swimming, effective techniques, and how to integrate swimming into your fitness routine. Stay with us until the end for a quick, actionable cheat sheet to help you make the most of your swimming workouts. Key concepts. Swimming is an excellent cardiovascular exercise that improves heart health and endurance. It engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, providing a full-body workout. Different swim strokes, such as freestyle, backstroke, breaststroke, and butterfly, target various muscles and offer different benefits. Proper swimming techniques and form are essential for maximizing efficiency and preventing injuries. Swimming can be done in various settings, including pools and open water, each offering unique challenges and experiences. Incorporating swimming drills and structured swim training can enhance your technique and overall fitness. The impact on you. Swimming can significantly improve your cardiovascular health by increasing heart and lung capacity. You'll experience enhanced endurance, allowing you to engage in daily activities with greater ease and energy. Swimming offers a low-impact workout that reduces strain on your joints, making it suitable for individuals with joint issues or those recovering from injuries. You might face challenges such as mastering different strokes or adapting to open water conditions, but with practice, you can overcome these obstacles and enjoy the benefits of swimming. Real-life scenarios, such as participating in a swim meet or completing a long-distance swim, become more achievable with improved swimming skills and endurance. Practical tips and actionable advice. Tip 1. Learn and practice proper swim strokes. Focus on mastering basic strokes like freestyle and backstroke before progressing to more advanced techniques. Proper stroke technique improves efficiency and reduces the risk of injury. Tip 2. Incorporate swimming drills into your workouts. Use drills to target specific aspects of your swimming technique, such as breathing, kick technique, or stroke mechanics. Drills can help you refine your skills and enhance overall performance. Tip 3. Develop a structured swim training plan. Create a training plan that includes various swim workouts, such as intervals, distance swims, and recovery sessions. A well-rounded plan helps improve cardiovascular fitness, endurance, and technique. Tip 4. Gradually increase your swim distances. Start with shorter swim sessions and gradually increase the distance and duration as your fitness level improves. Progressive training helps build endurance and prevent overtraining. Tip 5. Use proper swim gear and equipment. Invest in quality swim gear, including goggles, a swim cap, and a well-fitting swimsuit. For added resistance, consider using swim fins, a pool buoy, or hand paddles during your workouts. Tip 6. Focus on breathing techniques. Practice rhythmic breathing to ensure a steady and efficient oxygen supply during your swims. Inhale deeply through your mouth and exhale through your nose, coordinating your breathing with your strokes. Tip 7. Stay hydrated and fuel your body. Drink water before, during, and after your swim to stay hydrated. Consume a balanced diet to provide the energy needed for your workouts and aid in recovery. Tip 8. Explore open water swimming. If you're comfortable with pool swimming, consider trying open water swimming for a new challenge and experience. Open water swimming offers unique conditions and can enhance your overall swimming skills. Tip 9. Join a swim club or class. Participating in a swim club or class provides structured workouts, professional guidance, and motivation. It's also a great way to connect with other swimmers and enhance your skills. Tip 10. Track your progress and set goals. Keep a log of your swim workouts and track improvements in distance, speed, and technique. Setting specific goals helps maintain motivation and provides a sense of accomplishment. Techniques and habits. Warm up before starting your swim. A proper warm-up prepares your muscles and joints, reducing the risk of injury and improving performance. Focus on maintaining proper form and technique throughout your swim. Good form ensures efficient movement and reduces the risk of injury. Incorporate rest and recovery into your training plan. Rest days are essential for muscle recovery and overall fitness. Combine swimming with other forms of exercise for a balanced fitness routine. Include activities like strength training and flexibility exercises to complement your swimming workouts. Stay hydrated and maintain a balanced diet to support your swimming performance. Proper nutrition and hydration are crucial for energy and recovery. Quick actionable cheat sheet. Tip 1. Learn and practice proper swim strokes. Tip 2. Incorporate swimming drills into your workouts. Tip 3. Develop a structured swim training plan. Tip 4. Gradually increase your swim distances. Tip 5. Use proper swim gear and equipment. Tip 6. Focus on breathing techniques. Tip 7. Stay hydrated and fuel your body. Tip 8. Explore open water swimming. Tip 9. Join a swim club or class. Tip 10. Track your progress and set goals. Conclusion: swimming for cardio and endurance. Remember, incorporating swimming into your fitness routine can lead to significant improvements in overall health and performance. For more help, guidance, and support, check the description below. Subscribe to our channel today so you can continue on with your self-improvement journey. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health. Please leave a comment below, we would love to hear from you. For more help, guidance, and support, check the description below. Subscribe to our channel today so you can continue on with your self-improvement journey.